All right, we've got our 2x4 Basics Workbench kit, which I bought from Amazon, and a whole bunch of lumber, which I just bought from Home Depot, and we're gonna be making a workbench today. So what you get in the kit is basically these plastic legs, and then the hardware, well, basically screws that you need to put it together. It's a pretty cool concept, I think, for people like me who just want a cheap workbench. The plastic is like this high strength stuff, but you can see it's got a little like give to it too, which is kind of interesting. But we'll see how it works when it's all put together. It's got good reviews, so here we go. Alright, we're done. I think altogether this project cost me about $120, $125 between the kit and the lumber. And it is by far the easiest piece of furniture that I've ever built. Way easier than IKEA or Target type furniture. So, feels pretty sturdy. And it's a good size. This is 6 feet by 3 feet. I probably could have made it a little less deep, but overall, pretty awesome.